you recommend master's program for cybersecurity, or would it be computer science? What are some good programs would you recommend for cybersecurity or emphasis in cybersecurity?
Sweet. So you guys are asking all the questions I know. Awesome. So again, as a master's graduate, unfortunately, actually, it goes both ways. So I have an economics background. And so I would say through masters and certificates, I'm able to sell myself now as a more cybersecurity oriented professional. However, the neat thing is, I don't think you need a degree that says computer science or cybersecurity. So again, for me, it says economics, but there is a lot of coding in there. And again, once I got that first IT role, I'm able to kind of shift the narrative per se. So what I would recommend is get a technical degree. Unfortunately, the memes like that are going around is comp sci, the new history degree. I don't think that's entirely true, but don't limit yourself to just comp sci, right? It's trendy. It's what a lot of people have, and a lot of people got into the industry with comp sci. But I think you'll notice, and if you ask around, there's a lot of data analysts, there's a lot of finance people, anything technical with a computer, I think you can leverage. And so so that's the fluffy life is sunshine and rainbows part. To be more direct, if you want to enter the cybersecurity field, I think a networking focused degree is going to be the easier way to enter. Data is a little saturated, comp sci is everywhere, software engineering is everywhere. Not a lot of people want to do networking. So Net Plus, absolutely great start. If you do, I think you can do, I'm trying to remember the degree. It's called Computer Informations and Systems. And then there's a master's in networking, which is just a lot of building of models. And again, right, I'm not a networking guy, so pardon the lingo here, but all your protocols and your ports and just kind of your basic, how companies build infrastructure and secure them. So to wrap it up, you don't need a technical degree to get into cybersecurity. If you wanted a degree just to get in, your best option, in my opinion, would be anything cloud or network related.
I have done masters in computer science. So, but yeah, that's how I got into this job and later. But as Eduardo mentioned, when you do masters in computer science, it's not just the cybersecurity. You can see that as one subject, but it's overall like different subjects, different topics. Software programming and all those are covered in computer science. So if you want, you can go to master programs for cybersecurity, or but I have seen in my organization many cybersecurity folks from different coming from having the master's degree from different fields. So yes, you need to have those knowledge, and he, as he mentioned, networking or cloud or any um, security related uh, knowledge. If you have, that would count as well. So it's not like master's computer science. And yes, that's correct. In networking, we don't see many folks in networking. So that's the area where you can, get entry into.
Um, Again, can't answer this question, but I feel like I was also the one asking this question because I mentioned earlier I was thinking about transitioning into cybersecurity, and gotta say I appreciate your guys' answers that helped me kind of streamline my thoughts a little bit better there. So thank you.